Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to show you how to create amazing pop-ups, beautiful pop-ups that are extremely engaging and pop-ups that stand out. So I have a website that I have implemented several pop-ups. I want to show you some types of pop-ups that we are going to learn how to integrate in our WordPress website today. Now this is my website. Now we have video pop-ups like this that shows videos for your YouTube channel or to other places. Now if I continue scrolling, we have this countdown pop-up that will show on our website. We also have another pop-up down here. You also have another pop-up here that will show the cookies for your phone. We also have a whole window pop-up like this. And finally, we can see the phone's pop-up. So I'm going to open the website on my phone so that we can be able to see all the kind of pop-ups that we're going to create for our website. So first, scroll under this video, click on the first link. Now it's going to take you to this website. This is where we are going to create now our pop-ups. So sign up for free, sign up with Google. Now fill this form. Now depending on the visitors that you get, you can fill this based on that. Hit on let's get started. So you're going to have these plans. We have a free plan, we have a basic plan, and the rest of the plans. Now you can see what they are offering. I had tried a pro one and it was giving me lots of goodies. It was unbranded, it had autoresponders, and you could also send notifications based on geolocation. So if you want to send a notification in Canada and a different one to the USA and another one to Africa, you can change that when you have these pro plans like the basic, pro, and agency. But today we are going to start with the free. So select the plan. Now you're going to be brought to this page. Now, depending on what you want to use the pop-ups for, if you want to get more leads, then you are going to go with the first one. If you want to increase sales, you want to go with the second one. And if it's for announcements, the third one. And if you're not sure of what you want to do, but you want to first see, you can click on I'm not sure. And here you will be brought a lot of pop-ups that are already made for you. So what you need to do is you need now to look at the pop-ups that you want. We have different type of pop-ups that are here. So we have a light box. So this basically is just like let me preview one here. Just like that. So we have a bar. So these pop-ups come under your website, under the footer. So you can preview like this one. Let me see this one. So it comes under down there at the footer. You also have another different type of pop-up like slide in. So you can see this one is very good for cookies. So if I can preview this one for cookies, you can see it's an amazing one for cookies. We also have full screen. These are types that appear on the whole screen. So if I preview this one, You can see it appears on the whole screen. So users will have to cancel here or enter the information that you want them to have. You also have some social that will appear like WhatsApp here, the way it appears on the corner. And we have lastly for the mobile. So this one is from the mobile only, and these are very good for to collect maybe contact WhatsApp contacts, or to ask people to download an app, for example like this one. So if I preview this one, it's really good when you have an app on Play Store and you want people to download that app, then this one could really be great for you. So we are going to use one of the pop-ups, and I'm going to use maybe this one. So I'm going to use this one. So I'm first going to preview it and make sure that this is what I want. So I'm going to close this one, and now I'm going to customize this one. So you need to give it a name. So I'm going to call it test1. And you need to know to give your website domain. So for me, I'm going to take my website here, and then paste it here, just like that. Then I'm going to click on customize pop-in. So from here, you're going now to see the name of the pop-up, and you're going to see how it will look. And you can be able now to customize here. You can change colors, you can change the words, you can change anything here from this left side. So if I scroll down, you'll be able to change so many things here, like the elements. These are the elements, you can see them here. You can be able to see the input fields here. You can be able to see the email integration from here. You can be able to see the autoresponder, but this one is for the pro users. So all of them can be seen from this side. So if you want to edit these, always just click on it, then change the words that you want. Just like that. If you want to change the words, you change them like that. Just click on the wording and you are going to change them. So you can add more full stops maybe. So you can say minimum order, maybe you want to change to maybe 54 or 57. Then you can also change the colors. You can change the colors here to match your website. So go up here and you can be able to change the background design. So you can choose from the selected view, just like that. So you can customize your pop-up like that. You can also change the timing here. So this is the countdown. Now if you click on the countdown, you can see now here you can add, maybe you want to add 10 minutes. So you can always add from here, and then your pop-up will be looking cool like that. So you can preview it, and you can see it's really looking amazing. So I'm going to click on here, then you're going now to click on next. And now here you're going to change now how it's going to be triggered. So by default, I found this to be working really good, but if you have different pop-ups, it's okay to change the display. Maybe the first one will display after 5 seconds, the next one will display after 20 seconds, or you can have something like that. And it's also not good to use too many pop-ups. So make sure at least you have 2, and they will be really good for you. Then you can have this stay on page. I found that to be really cool. So don't choose the website, choose the page. Then you can see your pop-up here, and it will be displayed after 5 seconds on the page, and it will be displayed on both devices, that is the PC and the phone. When you're happy with this, now click on publish. So your pop-up will be now be published. So we can copy this code and put it in our website, but we don't want to do that. We want to use a plugin so that we can do it in an easy way. So I'm going to close here. Then I'm going to go to my settings. I'm going to go to my profile. Then I'm going to copy the user ID. So this user ID is the one that is going to help us interlink these particular pop-ups with our WordPress website. So I'm going to copy it just like that. Then I'm going to go to my WordPress website. Then I'm going to hover over plugins, then add new plugin. Then I'm going to search for Pop-in here. So this is the plugin that is going to help us interlink the website and now our WordPress website to deliver the pop-ups. So I'm going to activate. I'm going to install then activate. So it was already on my website. So you install then activate. Then click on already have an account. Remember we had created an account, and now paste the user ID that we have just copied. So I'm going to paste it here, and then I'm going to connect the two. And voila, you'll be all set. So if I visit my dashboard, now I can be able to see everything that will be happening with my pop-ups. Be able to see the visitors, the views, the conversion, and the conversion rate. And you're going to control now the pop-ups from here. You can add more pop-ups from here. So you have this test one pop-up. You can add a new pop-up here. Then we have our forms here. We have our autoresponders here. This one is for the pros. Then we have our leads. So the leads is the section where emails will be collected. So when people subscribe to the pop-ups, then you are going to see your leads here. So let's go to overview and then go and test the website so that we can see if anything here is going to change once people interact with our website. To open the website under different tab, and now you can be able to see that the pop-up will appear immediately after 5 seconds, and it will give the users at least 10 minutes to be able to get 10% off. So I'm going to put my email here so that we can be able to see what will happen. If you're having trouble setting up these things, make sure that you reach out. You can reach out to me using this email, and we can figure out together on how best we can move forward. So now say yes, I want a coupon. So click on that to subscribe to the email list. Okay, nice. So we are going now to go to our dashboard and see whether we have had that particular lead. So this is our dashboard. I'm going to refresh. So you can see, congratulations, you just got your first pop-in lead. So if I go to leads here, I can be able to see the email that I have just subscribed to this particular platform. So if I go to overview, you can be able to see now the people who have viewed the pop-up and now the conversion here. So just highlight on the question mark and you'll be able to know what that particular figure that will be displayed there means. So that's it. That's how you integrate pop-ups in your website for free. You can always upgrade so that you can have more features if your website is big and if you want more automations. So if this video has been helpful, please don't forget to leave a like, and if you are new to this channel, please don't forget to subscribe. I'll be covering this particular plugin in depth in the next videos. So peace.